Hello everyone, this is Sam Isaac, and today I want to talk to you guys about this software called Wave app. I think it's really cool. I want to introduce it to you. Now, you know what we all got to do. Like, share, subscribe, or if you don't like, leave a thumb down. I'm okay with that. Just rate me somehow. Talk to you later. Let's go into the video. Today I would love to show you this new invoice program that I ran across. It's an awesome invoice estimating and simple bookkeeping. It's a great payment solution for small businesses. It's going to bring you closer to the big payday. You know, I believe when we are starting off our business, the least expenses that we need to pick up, that means we have more saved and less going out. So it will increase your return because your flow of going out is lessened. So anything that's free that works well should be great, especially in the area of the t-shirts. Most people don't have invoice systems. You know, you'll find yourself running down to Staples to get a pack of invoices and a book for estimating. You know, then you got to figure out where you left this sheet because you ripped it out of the book. You understand. So let's go into the pricing and I'll show you how the pricing works. We come down right here. The accounting and the invoicing part is totally free. There's no hidden costs. There's no setup fees. There's no monthly fees. Nada. And let me show you the features. This got an accounting, invoicing, pay-per-use, payroll. These are the features. Okay? I just showed you right here. You pay as you go. If you want to use their payment system, you turn it on to get paid, and that's it. They charge you that one transaction, that's it. If you have employees, they say you have 2 or 3 employees, they make it so that you could afford to do payroll. You don't have to hire some expensive tax person to do your payroll for you. You know, the great thing about it is computerized and it's 1, 2, 3. Just follow the instructions and it's done. They say bada boom, bada bing. Like that. Simple. Simple, simple, simple. Okay. If you would like to get an account, email, password goes there. And create free account. I already did that. So let's go inside. Now we're on the inside. I want to show you a little bit about the inside. Okay, there's a launch pad. Right now, there's nothing that we need to launch. You need to set it up. So, there's a dashboard. Okay. If you want to put customers in, you have some customers. You could add your customers. You have vendors, like if you bought from Stalls, Supercolor, those would be your vendors. Okay. And this is the button of buttons. We can create estimates and invoices right here. But before we get into that, number one, I want to show you the invoice customization because that's what we need to do. Right here is where we're going to put in our name, company name, address, the whole gamut, right? This is right here. We put all our information, you know. This is my mobile. No, actually, I'm not going to put my mobile in. I'm going to put my business, put right there. That's the business number. Yeah, I can give them my mobile. Okay. Then, of course, if you have a website, just looks more polished. I do. Even with having a website and you have I thought I put in my address. I'm a Georgia company. I'll just leave it like that. Okay. And I'm going to take US dollar, so I save. So all my stuff is in there. If I want to put personal, the business is already created. Now, let's go to the dashboard. We create an invoices, because I showed you this is where the logo. Okay. Now I got ahead of myself. I'm sorry. It has 3 different types of invoices. This is your regular plain Jane. Looks good to me. This is your fancy classic. And this is the most modern one they have. Okay. My company colors. Okay. I have a logo, so you would just press choose file, put your logo there, and that's done. Display logo. And my corporate color is red, but you could choose whatever color you want. I'm putting it back to red. Save all changes. We're done. Now, these are the invoice settings right here. You have your payment terms, due upon receipt. That's me. I'm 91 hitting it right there that day. Not doing 15, 30, 60, 45 days. That's just problems waiting to happen. And I just keep the title simple for all invoices. Just leave it like that. In your footer, you can thank the customer for let them know you appreciate their business. Your terms, if you accept returns or don't on custom apparel, I put it there. There's no refund whatsoever on custom apparel because it's custom. I can't sell that person's piece to somebody else. So I let them know in the estimate ahead of time so that they have looked it over so they know what they're dealing with. And it also has a reminder. My mouse got stuck. Has a reminder here, 3, 7, and 14 days in case you send it out and the individual didn't pay you. It will remind them in case you forgot. That happens. Okay, this is the estimate part right here. You could say look forward to doing business with you, and then here, upon Just right here, I like to let my customers know how long my estimate is valid for. If yours is for 1 week, 1 month, 6 months, 1 year, I don't do it that long, but I have customers that have come in and got estimates and forgot who I was, come back. Yeah, you told me it was da da da. That was a year ago, but it's inflation. Sorry, dude, got to give you a new estimate. And with this, I keep receipt of them so I know what I did. Because I could look it up. Okay. So let's go in and do an estimate Okay, I added a customer already. We're going to create estimate number 3. John called me this morning. I didn't get a chance to deal with him yet. So I'm just picking him. But if you needed to add a customer, you just add your customer just like that. And that'll be in. But John called me specifically, and he told me he wanted 10 Gildan company shirts, one front design, and it was it's a lawn care company. I've done it already, so I've done shirts for him. So I have his design, Gildan 500 with long design. Okay, and he said he wanted 10 shirts. I'm giving them to him at $20 a piece, and he happens to be a local guy, so that's the sales tax. So we're pretty much done. I save this. Now I'm going to pretend that we sent this through Gmail. Because if I just click the button, it pops open the screen. That's a dummy email. But I just wanted to show you that's how it works. You press to send. It goes straight to him. See the amount? Okay. While I sent the invoice, I called him up. I called John up, told him that I was going to come to 215. He was like, man, that's a good deal. Do the shirts for me. Fine. So now I can create the same. I can convert him now to a customer. Now, I can preview it. This is what it looks like on my preview.
Power off.
I could save and send. Just like that. Boom. Save it, send it to him. And that money's on our way. And I can go start on the shirts. That's just something simple like that. Now, the next thing that this can do, this keeps track of all transactions you make. You know, you could upload your bank statements, manually do your bank statements. You can pay bills, track your bills. It's got a cool report feature here. Profit and loss. You can balance your sheets, kind of show what you make. Your cash flow is good if you want to borrow money. You have all of this right here. I live in Georgia. Our taxes are due on the 20th of every month. Every month. So I click this button here, and it goes through all my invoices, and it totals up all the money that I have to pay. And it lets me know. And then I can update my report, export it, cut the check, send it off to the state. And basically, there's one other feature I wanted to talk about. This app integrates. It has API. You can add it to Google Sheets. You can also, by using Zap, you can connect it to Shopify, Square, Stripe. And the real cool thing about this, you can take your customers out of here and put them into MailChimp to do your email marketing list. And if you ship, you can use ShipStation to handle your shipping and receiving. Your shipping, your shipping out. And basically, that is the end. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You have a good day, and God bless. You are welcome to join our Facebook group, the T-Shirt Game University. This is a group where we give a lot of information. We're not taking from you. We're giving to help you grow.